Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming hardware and accounts so nothing blocks setup. Sign into your console using an existing Microsoft account or create one now. This ties services to your profile. Next, connect to the internet via Ethernet for stability or set up Wi-Fi in settings. Once done, open the store to check available subscriptions and gift card balance, because selecting the right plan first saves time and prevents duplicate charges. You now pick and purchase the subscription. Search for Xbox Live Gold or Game Pass Ultimate in the store, then choose Buy or redeem a code. Enter your payment securely, confirm the billing region, and select the duration such as 1 month, 3 months, or 12 months. Make sure to toggle Auto Renew if you want continuous access. If the account is for a minor, set parental controls and communication permissions before launching online multiplayer. You finish by confirming the subscription in Settings under Account, then restart the console to apply changes. Next, test online features. Join a multiplayer match, invite a friend, and watch for NAT type or lag. If something fails, power cycle the console and router, recheck the payment or redeemed code, and run the built-in network test to reveal issues such as double NAT or packet loss. If NAT is strict, enable UPnP.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.